Good morning, students. You all have studied about continents and oceans in class 3. Let's quickly see them on the world map. They are North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Students, we live in which continent? The Asia. Can you see Asia towards the east side of the map? In Asia, today we are going to read and know about in detail about this country which is in Asia. Lesson 6, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Let's do the reading. Deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold deserts. You can see in the picture, cold desert is full of ice and snow and hot desert is brown in color and dry. You can see the Arabian desert is a hot desert. Saudi Arabia, a country in the Middle East, where it is in the Middle East, is located in the Arabian desert. This kingdom is very wealthy, means rich, because of its plentiful of oil reserves. Oil reserves means it has lot of petroleum. It lies between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Can you see in the picture? दोनों तरफ आपको दिख रहा है, एक तरफ Red Sea है and the other side it is the Persian Gulf. Its neighbors are Kuwait, Israel, Iraq and Jordan in the north. It is marked with which color? Red color. Bahrain and UAE, Oman and Qatar in the east. This is marked with which color? It is underlined with blue color. And Yemen in the southwest. This is underlined in orange. Saudi Arabia is rocky plateau. Rocky means pathrila, covered by vast desert. चारों तरफ क्या है? रेगिस्तान. There are hillocks of sand called sand dunes. Hillocks मतलब छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियाँ रेत की. Can you see this? What is this? It is the flag of Saudi Arabia. There is a shortage of fresh water as no rivers flow through the desert. यहाँ पानी बिल्कुल नहीं है. Climate. How is the climate? The climate is extremely hot and dry. बहुत ज़्यादा hot. There is hardly any rainfall. बारिश यहाँ होती नहीं है. During occasional heavy rains, कभी कभार बारिश बहुत तेज होती है. Wide gullies called wadis get filled up with water. जो नाले हैं वो पानी से भर जाते हैं. Due to extreme heat, the water quickly evaporates. और वो पानी जो जमा होता है भाप बन के उड़ जाता है. The days are very hot and the nights are very cool. In winter, the days are warm and nights are very cold. Dust storms are quite common. They appear all of a sudden and make the sky hazy. Strong winds and dust storms shift the sand dunes from one place to another. ये तेज हवा क्या करती है? सारे सैंड को अपने साथ उड़ा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाती है. Vegetation. Very few plants grow as the area is dry and barren. Barren means यहाँ कोई चीज़ उपजाऊ नहीं है. Most desert plants have long roots which go deep into the earth in search of water. The date palm trees are the only trees which grow easily in the region. Star fact. When it rains, cactus swells up because it absorbs water and then shrinks as it uses water. Cactus जो है पानी जब गिरता है फूल जाता है और फिर वो सिकुड़ जाता है. Abha is the hill station of Saudi Arabia. You can see this in this picture. Animal life. Desert animals can live with very little water, like camel, snakes, lizards, insects are quite common in the desert. Most of these animals come out at night to find food. रात में इसलिए निकल आते हैं क्योंकि दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. Do you know which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Yes, it is the camel. It is very useful as it can live without food and water for many days. Agriculture. In some areas, farms have been made by mixing soil with sand. Seawater from which salt has been removed is used for irrigation. जो समुद्र का पानी होता है बहुत खारा होता है तो उसमें से नमक निकाल देते हैं. Wheat, barley, melons and tomatoes are grown in these farms. Cacti are the common plants. Their leaves are reduced to thorns. Thorns means kaante. Date palm trees and grass grow in an oasis. What is an oasis? An oasis is a place where underground water comes to the surface and forms a pool. Industry. Besides oil-related industries like petroleum and petrochemicals, iron and steel, cement, fertilizers are the main industries. Life of the people. The discovery of petroleum or liquid gold has changed the lifestyle of people. ये पेट्रोलियम से इनकी जो लाइफस्टाइल है वो चेंज हो गई. Before its discovery, most of the people were poor. Now, the standard of living is very high. The cities have all modern facilities. Schools and colleges have come up in Saudi Arabia. Some people lead a traditional life. These people are called nomads or Bedouins. They move from place to place in search of green pasture for their goat, sheep, camel, etc. They live in tents made of camel or goat skin. The lifestyle of Bedouins is now changing. Dress. Men wear long flowing cotton robes called thab, which is sometimes covered by a jacket or robe. To protect their head from the sun, they use a head covering called gutra. Women wear long robes called abba. They cover their faces with a veil. Important cities. This is Riyadh. It is the capital and the largest city. It is a modern and well-planned city with huge skyscrapers. Skyscrapers means very tall buildings, parks, markets, hospitals and schools, etc. This is Jeddah. People from all over the world come here by air and sea to go to Mecca. King Abdul Aziz International Airport in Jeddah is one of the largest airports in Saudi Arabia. Mecca and Medina. These two are the holiest places for Muslims. Millions of Muslims come to Mecca and Medina on their annual pilgrimage called Hajj. Star fact. A person who has done Hajj is called Haji. Do you recognize this person? He is Amir Khan. He is also gone for Hajj. Government. Saudi Arabia is a monarchy. Monarchy मतलब राजाओं का शासन. The king is the head of the government. The government has used the natural resources wisely and made this hot and barren region a rich and prosperous land. Here the natural resource is petroleum, which has generated lot of money और इससे इनने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए सोलर पैनल्स लगवा लिए एंड वाटर में से सी वाटर में से सॉल्ट रिमूव करके इरिगेशन के लिए और ह्यूमन के लिए ड्रिंकिंग वाटर अवेल करा लिया. India has good relation with Saudi Arabia. Apart from import-export of goods, thousands of Indians, doctors, engineers and teachers are working in Saudi Arabia. So students, I hope you enjoyed reading the lesson Saudi Arabia. Now read it again and attempt the exercise given on page number 37.